I'm Marc Sievers, and welcome to my Paris adventure. So is there anything more perfect than ripe summer tomatoes? I don't think so, especially if you grow them yourself, beautiful heirloom quality, or if you're getting them from a farmer's market or a farm stand. This is my no-cook tomato and herb summer salad. It is all about assembly, and it really celebrates beautiful vegetables like these gorgeous tomatoes and fresh herbs. And that's it. It's simple, it's no cook, and you can assemble it before a party and everyone devours the platter and everyone is excited and happy. So let me show you what I have going on. So here I just have a beautiful selection of tomatoes. So these are from the Raspail market in Paris, and these are heirloom tomatoes, and I have yellow and green and red and different sizes. And I've just kind of cut them up to be a little bit different so that as we build the platter, it has some interest, some height, and everything's not one size in color. So there's really no rhyme or reason to this. I'm just gonna start putting tomatoes onto this platter. Just scatter about, mixing up the colors, making sure that things are touching, things are overlapping. And what I love about this salad, especially in the summertime, is if you pick the tomatoes from your garden, they're nice and warm, and I think that's the best way to serve tomatoes, is when they're warm from the sun. So if you get them home from the grocery store and you want to serve them later on that day, I like to put my tomatoes in the windowsill. Nice sunny windowsill for a few hours and let the natural sun heat up the insides, and it really does change the flavor to be some of the best heirloom tomatoes you could possibly get. So see how quick this is? I'm just kind of scattering. I'm not overthinking this. I want this to be very casual and very, very quick. This is no cook summer salad. So I want to spend more time at the beach. So beautiful tomatoes so far. I'm going to drizzle them with some extra virgin olive oil, really delicious olive oil. You can even use a little bit of tarragon vinegar if you have that. But this is just going to flavor them, and that's good. I have some freshly cracked black pepper. This is going to add a little bit of heat, some beautiful color, and most importantly, lots of flavor. And then I have some French fleur de sel. I'm probably putting a half a teaspoon to 3/4 of a teaspoon each of salt and pepper. This is just to make sure that tomatoes have great flavor. Salt really brings out the flavor of tomatoes, so that's perfect. Then for herbs, I have basil, flat leaf Italian parsley, some beautiful mint, dill, and some chives. And I'm just gonna get my board here and just take a bunch of chives. There really is what I love about this is there isn't a recipe. This is, what herbs do you have in your garden right now? What herbs do you have at the farm stand? What do you have at the farmer's market? And for chives, I like to cut them up for the salad in big shards cut on the diagonal, probably a good inch or two long. And then I just scatter them on top like this. So that will taste really delicious, just like that. But I'm gonna put on some dill. I'm not even gonna chop the dill. I'm just gonna pick off the fronds and just let them fall naturally on the salad. Oh, this is so good. Dill just smells like summer, doesn't it? I love the smell of dill. Ryan loves dill too. I always make sure we have fresh dill all summer long because he likes to put it on almost everything. And then some beautiful flat leaf Italian parsley. Again, I'm not even cutting anything. I'm just picking off the whole leaves and just adding them to this beautiful salad. That is perfect. And then maybe some mint if you want to add some mint or some basil. Really, kind of the sky's the limit. But what you really need are beautiful, heirloom, fabulous summer tomatoes. Anything you put onto this, you can shave some Parmesan cheese, you can drizzle it with some creme fraiche if you wanted to, but this, I think, looks like summer on a plate. Head over to marcsievers.com for more summer-inspired recipes, and of course, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time from Chicago. Bye, everybody. Au revoir from Paris. Oh, let's see. All right, I'll just eat this big one. Warm, juicy, flavorful, and salty. It's the best. Bye, guys.